Akshitha,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm fine. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Akshitha, can you introduce about yourself and about your native?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Akshitha. I'm from Kolar. I am an MTech graduate. I did my MTech in BMS College, Baswangudi, whereas I did my engineering in SJBIT College, Kengeri.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how you got to know about CMTI?
They were collaborating with the SJBIT Institute before, ma'am, while I was in engineering. From that time, I was knowing about CMTI.
Okay, that's nice. Like, what you have adopted or what you have chosen in CMTI?
Ma'am, it is interior design with the BIM course, ma'am.
Okay, like what you have learned in interior and plus BIM.
Ma'am, interiors, like I have learned up to like the basic softwares like AutoCAD and SketchUp, everything about the standard dimensions, accessories used in kitchen, like everything which are related to interiors, the importance of interiors, why interiors are required. So basically about interiors, I have learned a lot, ma'am.
Okay, which are the interior visit you have completed and the site visits?
Right now I have completed IBO, IKEA, BGRT. That's it.
Okay, that's nice. Like what are the softwares you have covered? What you have learned in the softwares?
Like completely everything in AutoCAD I have learned with the SketchUp also, ma'am. They have taught us every single thing in SketchUp and AutoCAD.
Okay, that's nice. Like how about your trainers? How they supported you?
Basically, they're very good. Like we are having very good relationship with the trainers, and the way they teach will be very good and very understandable.
Okay, that's nice. Like how was Ashok's support towards you?
In the starting sessions, he gave so many of motivation class regarding career guidance. So like he used to motivate us very now and then, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how about this CMTI staff and the coordinators? How they supported you? How they helped you out?
And the staff and everyone here in the CMTI gives personal care and personal attention to the students over here. So like it helped me in getting this placement, ma'am. The main impact was the people around here in CMTI.
Okay, like, how was your placement procedure? How you cracked it?
Yeah, ma'am. Literally, there was 4 rounds going on there. Like first was the self introduction with the people over the company, and the second round there was test which they gave us. Like we have to draw some AutoCAD, some 2D drawings. They will provide us the questions, so we have to draw the 2D sketch for it. After that, we will be having the technical round. Like we have to completely explain what we have did in the drawing, like what is our intention and everything. We have to explain to the to the in the technical round basically. And the last round was the HR round, and everything went well, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how many interviews you have took up?
And right now I have covered 2 interviews. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
to which role you have selected?
Ma'am, it is cabinet specialist.
Okay, that's nice. I think you are happy with your placement.
Yes, ma'am, very much happy.
Okay, like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI?
Ma'am, the thing is, we have to listen to the trainer. Like basically, every minute things we have to get to know about everything like, in interiors. And like CMTI is very good when regarding to placements for basically civil engineers. CMTI is the best platform.
Okay, thank you for your feedback back, Akshita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, have a bright future and congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.